Alright, magandang araw sa inyo. Ako si Sir Imel Talag and welcome to this channel. Isa na namang video tutorial ang ating gagawin in technical drafting. And in today's video ay pag-aaralan natin kung paano mag-drawing ng right side view using the given isometric drawing. And gayon din, aalamin natin kung ano yung mga several ways on how to transfer the dimension or the depth dimension from the top view going to our right side view. Okay, so how to transfer the depth dimension, and let's begin. Lipat tayo dito sa ating AutoCAD. Dito sa portion na to, dito natin gagawin yung ating right side view because we will be using the third angle projection. At kapag third angle projection yung ating ginagamit, ang top view ay located here at the top and front view dito sa baba, and sa kanang bahagi naman yung right side view. Okay, so anong dimension ang kailangan natin for the right side view? By the way, ang right side view natin in this given isometric drawing is this color red. Okay, so ang dimension natin dyan is height, which is 4 centimeters, and the depth, which is 5.5 centimeters. Okay, and also ipapakita natin itong detail ng butas or itong features na ito, itong rectangular shape na butas. Ito ay hanggang doon sa kabilang dulo or sa kabilang mukha, hanggang sa rear view. Same as here, itong butas na bilog na to is hanggang doon sa kabila, and the radius is 0.7, and this one, the height is 2 centimeters. Alright, so yun, papakita natin sila sa ating right side view. So yung height makukuha natin with the help of this given front view, kasi given ang height sa front view, and the depth naman ay makukuha natin with the help of this given top view. Ang tanong, paano natin kukuhanin yung depth dimension? There are several ways on how to transfer the depth dimension. Tuturo sa inyo kung ano yung iba pang paraan how to transfer this depth dimension going to this view. Okay, so the first one is by using the divider. So yung divider, sinusukat ng divider kung ano yung distance of this step. Okay, and then hindi iibuin yung pagkakabuka ng divider with the use of this point. So dito yung isang point ng divider, and then dito yung isa. So with the use of divider, makukuha natin or may transfer natin yung depth of this top view. Okay, so next one is by using scale. So yun, susukatin or gumagamit ng scale para masukat to, then ita-transfer lang. Magsisimula pa rin dito sa point na to going here. And the last one is by using 45 degrees meter line, and that is, I think, the simplest way, the easiest way, and for me, I think it is the most accurate way on how to transfer the depth dimension by using 45 degrees meter line. So yan, gagamit tayo ng line na to, itong 45 degrees meter line. Naka 45 siya dito, okay, sa magkabilang side. And then what we will do, we will just project the depth from the top view if the given is top view. Okay, and if the given is right side view, syempre mauna natin i-project yung depth na right side view going to the top view naman, or vice versa. Okay, so yun, so i-project muna natin going to the 45 degrees meter line, and the intersection between these two projectors, okay, and this 45 degrees meter line, yun ngayon ang ipo-project natin pababa para makuha natin ang depth dimension of this right side view. So yun, after that, after na makuha natin ang depth dimension, ang sunod naman is height dimension. Ayun, so madali lang, ipo-project lang natin yung height that we have in our front view. Okay, so this is the depth, this is the height. Okay, after that, i-erase na natin yung mga projectors na ginamit natin. Okay, and then darken natin, or in manual drafting, itakpe natin yung object, okay, yung view of the object. Okay, after that ay i-project naman natin yung mga features na to. Okay, unahin natin yung rectangular shape. Okay, so since hindi natin nakikita directly yung butas na yon from this view, ay gagamit tayo ng hidden lines. Okay, yun, palitan natin to ng hidden line. And after that, ito naman bilog. So i-project din natin papunta sa kanan. Okay, and gagawa tayo ng hidden lines uli sa gitna. Okay, so yung dalawang hidden lines na nasa bandang itaas at nasa pinakababa, yun ang line representing this rectangular shape na butas, and itong nasa sa gitnang hidden lines, nasa medyo gitna, ang para dito sa circular, okay, na butas. And since ito ay circular, dapat syempre lalagyan natin siya ng center line. Yun, okay. So dapat ang line na gagamitin natin para dito is center line. This indicates that these two hidden lines, this one and this one, are a line representing these circular features of this front view. Okay, so that's it. That is how to transfer the depth dimension from the given views, or vice versa. If the given views is a right side view, okay, dito natin kukuhanin yung depth dimension, or kung ito naman ang given, syempre dito natin kukuhanin ang depth dimension papunta dito sa right side view. Alright, kung meron kayong mga katanungan tungkol sa ating ginawang tutorial video, ilagay nyo lang ito sa ating comment section at susubukan itong sagutin ng Sir Talag upang makatulong ako sa inyong pag-aaral ng technical drafting. Muli, ito po si Sir Imel Talag, and good